Earlier, we talked about that connecting to a database table or circle datasets requires the administrator to open the permission separately. So let's log out the administrator account to take a look at the analytical user's account. Look at the toolbar on the left. The access to management system is not in here. Let's start with data preparation. Right here, you can see the service package you just created using the administrator account. What about the data? The same as what we just uploaded. Like this, IT uploads the basic data in FineBI. The business department takes uploaded data for analysis directly. This is what we always talk about, self-service analysis model of IT and business collaboration. At this point, many of you are going to say that data from the business department hasn't been uploaded to FineBI yet, like most of the data to be analyzed from ERP or manually exported from the CRM system. What should we do? Don't worry about that. FineBI can upload Excel datasets, which is very convenient. Now, let's exit the business package. Open the business package under my self-service dataset. Select Add Excel Dataset. And then in Sample Data, you can find 3 Excel sheets exported from sales system. Select them in bulk. Then these tables can be opened in FineBI together, and click OK. They will be uploaded automatically and updated into the business package. Now let's take a look. There are several options in the upper right corner of the table. The Update Excel and Edit are easy to understand. What are Create a Self-Service Datasets and Create a Component? These are our entry point to the analysis of these data. However, before we do the analysis, we need to judge that whether or not we use just one table to do the analysis can meet our analytical demands. If this is a table with complete fields, then you can create component directly to do the visualization. However, if this table only meets some of our needs, some analysis fields are missing, you need to create a self-service dataset to create a table that better fits our analytical needs.